Thought your computer was old? Let's get it. In 1901, divers discovered something that shouldn't exist. At the bottom of the Aegean Sea, among the remains of an ancient shipwreck, lay a mysterious mechanism. It was over 2,000 years old. Covered in coral and sediment, it looked like nothing special at first, but when researchers began to study it closely, they realized they had found something extraordinary, something that would challenge everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. The Antikythera Mechanism, built around 100 BC in ancient Greece. When scientists finally examined it using modern technology, they were absolutely stunned. This wasn't just some primitive device. The complexity of its engineering surpassed anything humanity would create for the next 1,000 years. Imagine finding a smartphone in a medieval castle. That's how out of place this mechanism was. Its very existence defied the timeline of human technological progress. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. This ancient computer could predict solar and lunar eclipses with pinpoint accuracy, sometimes years in advance. It tracked the movements of the 5 planets known to the ancient Greeks: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. It calculated the Olympic Games cycle, which happened every 4 years. It even accounted for the irregular orbit of the moon. And it did all of this using at least 30 bronze gears, precisely cut and calibrated, working in perfect harmony. This wasn't just a calendar. It was a portable planetarium, an astronomical calculator, a cosmic oracle. X-ray analysis revealed the incredible precision of its internal mechanisms. Tiny Greek inscriptions covered its surface, like an ancient user manual. The craftsmanship required to build this would have needed specialized tools, advanced mathematical knowledge, and an understanding of astronomy that we didn't think existed in that era. So, who built it? We have theories, but no definitive answers. Was it Archimedes, one of his students, or someone whose name has been lost to history forever? And here's the haunting question. If they could build this, what else could they build? What other technologies existed that we have no record of? The next device of comparable complexity wouldn't appear until the 14th century, over 1,400 years later. Think about that. 14 centuries of lost knowledge, entire libraries burned, civilizations collapsed, technologies forgotten. The Antikythera Mechanism is just one survivor, one glimpse into a world of ancient innovation we barely understand. What else is waiting to be discovered? What other secrets does history hide beneath the waves? Subscribe to uncover more mysteries of the ancient world.